Hello everyone, welcome to the second video of the key people in assessment process, parents and family. The learning outcome of this video would be examine the involvement of parents and families in learning process of the children. Following are some of the tips as how to make parents involved. The first thing is invite parents to the center, classroom participation, framing curriculum, daily report of each child, useful resources, plan activity for parents and children together and say thanks. The first thing we will see is invite parents to the center. It is very much necessary that parents must know more about the center, staff and how the child care in the center operates. Go a step ahead in making the parents and families comfortable with the center. Making them feel at ease at the center will go a long way in making them involved. Second thing is classroom participation. Arrangement should be made in the center's timetable to make parents and families participate in the classroom once in a while, though not regularly, depending on the feasibility of parents and families. Participation should be either volunteering to help educators to conduct a project, presenting a story, art, etc., or a talent show. If the parents or family members have a talent that they would want to showcase or share with class, they can do. The third thing is framing curriculum. Curriculum is a most integral part of the early childhood care and education. Involve parents and families when preparing or making modification in the curriculum. Ask parents and families about including any specific topic in the curriculum which they like or feel important for child's development, because if the parents and families are aware about what is being taught, they can be asked about any topic that they would like to add on in the curriculum. This can make parents and families to know what child learns throughout the day. Next thing is daily report of each child. It is important to create and update daily report of the child. This report highlights the progress of each and every child individually. Parents and families can be kept updated about child's each day's activities and progress. This also paves way for parents and families to communicate with school staff and give their feedbacks. Next is useful resources. It is necessary to provide stimulating environment at home as well. These useful resources that are made available for parents and families can guide them to use at home to promote and nurture skills and talents in their children. Hence, it is important to make useful resources available for parents and families so that they involve in the development of their children in relation to motor skills, language, behavior, etc. Next thing is plan activity for parents and children together. It is again important to always welcome the idea of complementary activity for parents and children to complete at home. This activity will extend the curriculum outside classroom setting and reinforces what is being taught in the class. These activities provide first-hand experience for parents as they teach new things to their children. With this, they will be bound to take an active part in the learning process of the child, and once they see the impact of this, they will be more enthusiastic in participating in the assigned activity. And the last one is say thanks. It is important to thank parents for their involvement in the center's activities. It is just a note of appreciation for their time and involvement which will motivate them to be of good assistance in future. Research studies also have shown parents who are actively involved in their child's activity during preschool years tend to be involved in their child's elementary school as well. Parents' involvement in preschool center helps and supports children to the fullest. This involvement not only encourages parents to participate in their child's learning and development, but also makes their families a significant part of their education process in the future as well. The involvement of parents and families in early childhood education will help in the learning outcomes of children. because they will get all the support and encouragement to be successful. This involvement process will have detailed documentation so that not only teachers but parents and families will have a complete picture of what is happening with their children in their learning and development, and they will have a first-hand experience of their child's progress as well as do accordingly to the need, as they, that is families and parents, will be the key people in assessment process of the child. Thank you.